Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. In today's episode we are going to deal with right join. And in order for you to understand this content, please watch my previous episodes. So what is the point? If you have two tables to connect, if there is no match in both of tables, with simple joining statement and inner join statement, those records are going to be eliminated. And with a left join statement, this main table, cashier, it's going to print all of its values out. And this attached table is going to add its values to it, and in case where is no match, result null is going to be provided. And if you watch my previous episode, you are going to see that I have replaced these two table names in order for my code to work. But there is another way. So if we execute this code, we are going to get this result. But if we replace these table names again, so now main table is transaction and attached table is cashier. If I run this code, you see we are going to get only these 6 elements because now transaction table is the main table. And what right join is actually for? Well, right join is doing exact the opposite from left join. Let me show you. If I run this code, we are going to get our previous result. So in the case of right join, attached table is going to print all of its results out, and main table is actually going to attach its values to it. And if there is no value to attach, null result is going to be provided. So that's all for this episode, guys. Please like and subscribe, and see ya.